Hello guys, this is your girl Judy back again with another video. And here we are in Marshall's, and I just had to show you how cute this pancake bowl or canister is. I just love it, and it's $14.99. It's a good deal. I mean, if it had the word tortillas or tacos or something similar to that, I would have grabbed it ASAP, but we don't eat pancakes, and I love to use things for what it's actually made, so I didn't get it. And these are super cute. We all know that these throw blankets Rae Dunn are always $16.99. They're very soft, and it was the first time stumbling upon a one with a dedicated to moms. You know that moms was this weekend, Mother's Day was this weekend, and I just had to show you this. And this piece throw blanket with the detail stitching, those beautiful colors, that is super cute. I would put that in like a teenager's room to decorate it. I mean, it's super cute. This Be Cool Be Kind also gives me teenager vibes. This one matches that blue one so good, also gives me teen girl vibes. I think it's super adorable. I mean, you can decorate so many things, so many rooms with these blankets. They're super cute. And you know, here we are in HomeGoods, and I just had to show you these Mother Day arrangements that they had for $12.99. They had the light pink, the light blue. They even had that adorable light green color, and they had hashtag #1mom. They had hashtag mom life, best mom ever, I love mom. They had so many. This is the green I was talking about. This is mom to be. This is mama, which is super cute. I already have one of these green ones, but I mean, wouldn't it be so fun to just collect all these moms different color mugs and just decorate your space for that month or that week? Super adorable. But I am not good at spending $13 just for a mug. I don't know about you. So many candles that they had this one for 13 bucks, $12.99, and they had this super cute Mother Nature one with the ceramic vase in green. I do like this one with the ceramic vase. I mean, when the candle is over, you can just use for different multi-use these ceramic vase on anything you want. But the glass, I mean, it's cute, but I wouldn't find much use for it. And yes, a whole bunch of 4th of July signs, red, white, and blue. These were going for $7.99, and they had so many. But you know, the day I was filming this video, they had a lot. This one is a little bigger, so it was $9.99, and I went back yesterday and there was nothing Mother's Day. There was nothing 4th of July. This candle with the super cute pink topper, $14.99. I love mom. It was all gone. I went because I did not notice I had forgot 2 moms, and when I got there, there was basically nothing. Like nothing. It was ransacked, and I just couldn't believe it. And all these organizational Rae Dunn items, I did not know that this was a thing. This is a spice rack for your kitchen, and it's $19.99. This is very useful. This is something actually practical that I would have gotten if I hadn't bought spice organizers. If I would have stumbled upon this, I would have grabbed this first instead of what I grabbed. But unfortunately, it's a little too late. This is cute. This is blue. This gives me coastal beach vibes. I would grab this if I would do in my bathroom in this color. I have actually all this, but I have it in the basic white, you know, for everyday use. And I actually do use it, and my family does use it, and we decorate the bathroom, and we put our little knickknacks and stuff in there for the, you know, mouthwash and all that stuff. cute blue. I'm loving that blue. Penthouse bird houses, $19.99, like they're always. This super cute. I did show you the red one, but I didn't know. I have not seen a white one, and this is my first time actually seeing one of these decorative Rae Dunn items like this. I know there's like different other styles for other seasons, but it was my first time. These are the little signs, the ones that were $7.99. This super cute 4th of July, happy 4th of July metal little truck was adorable. It was $24.99, and it had like a little details with the stars in the back, which I had to check it out, and it's super adorable. I mean, you don't always have to use it for the 4th of July, but you can put something in the back to cover the stars if you decide to do something else with it. And my first time stumbling upon this huge little house. It was actually open in the bottom, and it said Home of the Brave. These were $20 also. Super adorable and cute. So many things to decorate 4th of July. I don't decorate for 4th of July a lot. I do have my picnic and I decorate the tables and all that stuff. I buy cooking ware and paper plates and all that stuff, cups for when I do have the barbecue, but I do not decorate my house for the 4th of July. But these are adorable. I just had to show you all the stuff that was out there. Here's more of those America hearts, more of the red trucks, and just more of those little signs. Look at this red truck. It's super adorable. It has the American flag land that I love. Also $24.99. Here I am trying to show you. You guys know that when I do a voiceover, it's because the music is super loud, and my voice, unfortunately, while I was talking in the video, was not heard, so I had to do a voiceover. And I'm showing you this little blanket. Super cute, teen girl vibes also, with the little flower. I remember when I used to be a teenager blowing on these and having it spread all over the place, but then when you breathe back in, you kind of breathe some of that inside, and I always had a sore throat after. I remember those days when we were young. And then here I am. I think this is TJ Maxx, and this TJ Maxx was full. This was the next time over. I think it was another different day, and I had to show you this $12.99 super cute wood vase. So many uses for these boxes, so many uses for what I just showed you. Super cute wooden boxes. It says hello pretty, favorite things. And these organizers here, paper organizers, pen organizers. This office, oh my god, this is super cute for an office, a lady's office. And this positive vibe swivel little tray. So many things, markers, pencils, pens, so many things you can do with this. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.